Reporter Reginald Witboy. So just to remind you again, former ANC Western Cape chairperson Marius Fransman expected to appear in the Kimberley Magistrate's Court. Fransman is accused of sexual assault and crimen injuria following allegations made by his former personal assistant, Louisa Wynand.
And this alleged assault is said to have taken place at a hotel in Kimberley. This was in 2016, of course, on their way with Fransman's entourage to the January 8th celebration of the ANC that was held in Rustenburg in the Northwest province that year. So that case, of course, was postponed last month for the National Prosecuting Authority to issue a trial readiness certificate, as Reginald was outlining for us in our previous crossing. So let's go back to Reginald Witboy just to find out a little bit more about where this case is at. And Reginald, Louisa Wynand, have we seen much of her since this trial has begun?
Well, Sakina, once again, apologies for the picture that cut out there, but we like you said, we are coming to you from the Kimberley Magistrate's Court, where the former ANC chairperson will once again appear in this court. Now, you are asking me if I heard about Louisa Wynand. I am in contact with the publicist Gavin Prince. I even spoke to him this morning. He said, and he told me previously that if they will call them to appear in this court and to testify, Louisa Wynand will give a full cooperation in this matter. And previously also told me that this case is coming on for so long, and it's actually there is light at the end of the tunnel, seeing that Fransman will now be facing the music in this Kimberley Magistrate's Court. Now, we know previously that Marius Fransman, he attended the first and his second appearance. Whether he will attend today's the court proceedings here again today, we don't know, because I spoke to Paladi Shuping. He is from the National Prosecuting Authority, and he told me that it's likely that this case will again be postponed. Now, you mentioned that the last time the matter had to be postponed for the NPA for a trial readiness certificate. Now, that certificate is important in this matter because the National Prosecuting Authority need to issue that certificate for the defense of Fransman and the NPA to agree that there will be no delays or interruptions when the trial will be starting. Attached will also be the witness list, and also Paladi told me that who will be the interpreter or interpreters in this matter if needs be. And then that certificate needs to be handed over to the presiding officer in this court, and then only it can be decided or a date can be set when trial will then start for this case. Now, we also know that the ANC in the Western Cape suspended Fransman for 5 years. We spoke to the ANC in December. They said that the law must take its course in this matter.
Reginald Witboy, I think let's leave it there for now. Thanks so much for updating us and giving us a little bit of background on that particular story. So